Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing some Inkbox. Kept showing up on my Instagram and getting tattoo fever, but I don't have any money. So this is what we're doing instead. I opened up the first one already. That's fine. We're gonna step through it together. So the first one I have is like a play set, what have you. Thought it would be perfect for like YouTube videos. The next one is a little kiki. So I'm gonna do one for now. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. I love the front of these. Temporary bad decisions. And then let's get inked. Your body is a canvas. So far, I've opened up the tattoo duder. Have my instructions. We have wipes. We have a cloth of some sort. Things that it has like facts and shit in it. It's made with natural ingredients, not tested on animals. Water resistance. Develops in 24 to 36 hours. And it lasts between 8 and 18 days. So I will give you some daily updates of how it looks. Instructions. Need a little bit more of this. Hollow juice. Delicious. All right. Blah, blah, blah. From the tab, slowly peel the white backing off of the Inkbox. Okay, I'm gonna assume this is the right way. The design should be facing you. Okay, use tweezers, I don't need to. Quit telling me what to do with my life. Place your tattoo sticky side down. Oh. Oops. This wasn't the part I was supposed to peel off yet. Just do that. Must be. Oh, it makes so much more sense. Okay. You can only stick it once, so make sure you get it right the first time. Well, we'll find out. Put on gloves and peel back the black part. Okay. Okay, and now I stick this off. Open the small wipe packet and wipe over blue fabric. Make sure to dampen the entire blue area, avoiding the white edges. This little thing's supposed to do that. Okay.
You're moist. It's for you, Heather. It's moist.
Tear the corner of the black cloth bag. Leave the cloth inside. If the cloth is too hot, let it cool. Okay, I have to... Oh my gosh. Fuck. Okay, well, I am going to put this in the microwave, apparently. Oh, okay, hold on. It says basically hurry the fuck up once you open it. Now, it says think before you ink. You're about to hold the cloth for 15 minutes. Once placed, the cloth should not be moved or else it can smudge the tattoo. Sometime later. Okay, so before I do anything, blah, blah, blah. After peeling, wait 5 minutes. Jesus Christ, this takes forever. This fucking hurts. You see that skin pullage? Jesus. I'm happy I got most of my hair shaved off. Otherwise, this would really hurt. This might not be a successful one. God. Well, we'll let it wait. We'll let it dry and see what happens. So my first reaction right off the bat without it developing or anything. So this looks pretty good. You can tell there's ink on it. That one too. You can tell that the play also has, but it's very faint. The square, kind of the same concept, and then this one just doesn't look like there's any ink on it whatsoever. So I might already have a faded tattoo. And I really like puns. Inkstructions. All right, so I just washed my tattoo, and it kind of gives me high hopes that, like, it all pretty much faded. So maybe that's what it's supposed to do. I will keep you guys updated and let you know. Thanks for watching. Well, I mean, you're gonna have a couple more updates, so continue to watch, but like, yeah. Okay, I'm done. Bye. It's been about an hour. It's developed this much. Still concerned about that part, if it's gonna show up or not, but I think all in all, the rest of them will show up in some way, shape, or form. We'll see. In the meantime, I'm playing Sims. So a quick update. It's raining outside. Don't mind my wet glasses. So it's almost been 24 hours. This is as much as it's developed so far. Not too shabby. And also, depending if you've seen me ink up my boyfriend video, and by boyfriend I mean fiance, go check that out. But I put a little cat on him, so then I did it to myself. And mine I didn't do for 15 minutes. I wasn't about to wait 15 minutes again. So I just did that. His is on his bicep. I tried to get it to do on his neck. Go check out the video. It's pretty hilarious. But what I found, you can't see. It looks like a bruise. That's from me holding. It went through my glove and dyed my hand. So I kind of want to see how much that develops and if it just looks like a weird bruise. All right, guys. Well, see you next update. Hey, guys. How do you like my mustache? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Anyways, it's been about 6 days since I did my tattoo. And I just want to give you a quick update. It's not looking good. I'll give you, when Ty gets home, I'll bombard him again and make him show his, and his still looks pretty good. Mine, however, so they're supposed to last like minimum 18 days. I clearly did not put it on very well because it was my first and I didn't really read the instructions first. Whatever, it's fine. It's still a fun thing to do, and I would definitely do it again now that I know the instructions. I will come back in maybe a week or so and give the final thoughts because it might be completely faded. I have not used exfoliators, and I've probably taken, in the last 6 days, 4 showers. I hear Ty. I'll get that update soon. So, not scrubbing it or anything. It just, I didn't execute it very well. Hey guys, I just want to let you know that it's April now and I filmed this at the end of February. So I wasn't very good at keeping updates. There's a few updates in there and I'll put some of Ty's updates because as you can see, I did his a lot better than mine. I even stained my hand from holding it on. It went through the glove, which I thought was funny. So yeah, here's the pictures of just 2 weeks difference. So I had it for 2 weeks. So as you can see, it was basically non-existent, and because it's been so many months since I filmed, I'm gonna get this incorrect, but I think it was supposed to last 2 weeks to 28 days-ish. But again, you've already heard it, so you know the actual. So I guess it did kind of last as much as it was, but I definitely want to try some more temporary tattoos for, you know, people who aren't 18 yet, who want to act all badass like they have tattoos, people who just want to try it out, people who are too scared, maybe pregnant ladies who just want to go crazy, I don't know. So I'll definitely do some more temporary and see which ones are the best out of those. I hope you enjoyed my video. I know it's a little long and it's not as entertaining as when I gave Ty a tattoo, but I hope you have a wonderful day and we'll talk to you later. Bye.